We all are looking forward to the new year with new hopes, new dreams, and new resolutions. Everyone likes to start on a clean slate. So I thought in this video I'll recommend you two amazing books that will help you in 2021, both on the personal and professional front. They greatly influenced me during this tough year, helped me improve my overall work productivity and income earning potential. I'm sure these books will help you in the new year, not just to stick to your resolutions, but also turn them into lifelong good habits. The first book that I strongly recommend to read is The One Thing by Gary Keller. This book literally dispelled all the great notions I had about multitasking. It is actually a lie. Our brain actually does not multitask. It just juggles back and forth between things, and the end result is no great result. This holds true in our busy daily lives where we attempt too much and accomplish too little. We battle with our chaotic monkey minds, which is bombarded with dollops of information every second. Our ambitious daily to-do list do not take us that far, and eventually we spend far too much time on things that really do not matter. The author hence talks about this concept of one thing and the one focusing question which should be addressed. What is the one thing that I should do such that by doing it, everything else will be easier or unnecessary? It is such a powerful question. The author better illustrates this question in the form of an image. As you can see, the outer circle is the one thing, the big picture, a specific goal. And the smaller inner dot is like a compass, which should be your smallest next move to accomplish that big picture. These small actions which you need to take one thing at a time should be such that they are doable with less effort or are not even necessary. This also takes care of the dilemma of what are the things that do not need to be done. I revisited this image every day, and it really helped me to carve out my own roadmap and develop a razor-sharp focus on my career goals. The second book I would recommend is Atomic Habits by James Clear. This book talks about the surprising power of building small habits that over the years start showing remarkable results. It's about the tiny 1% improvement every day. Although the result is not noticeable on a daily basis, the difference over the long run can be astounding. The problem is that people make a few changes, fail to see a tangible result, lose patience, and then stop acting. They are more focused on the end result rather than the process itself. This is the reason why 99% of the people fail to keep their New Year resolutions and forget about them by mid-year. The author suggests that there is no earth-shattering moment to create massive success, be it losing weight, building immunity, starting a business, writing a book, learning anything. Habits are the compound effect of self-improvement which should happen on a daily basis. What I like about the book is how the author talks about the science, the psychology behind how we build habits, how our brain processes it. The author also shares a lot of practical and behavioral tips in breaking bad habits and building good ones. Hope these book records will help you, induce you to think, act, and do better. If you like this video, do share it with your friends and family, especially avid book lovers. Do write into me at the mentioned ID. I would love to hear from you. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel called Rich. Thanks for watching. Wishing you all a very healthy, happy, and productive 2021.